Chinese companies are also investing in India, in R&D, in manufacturing. I'm sure those days will come. There will be dedicated industrial parties. Still, the infrastructure is a big challenge. I think if the infrastructure can improve, the Indian manufacturing boom will flourish even bigger than what everybody can anticipate. Earlier, many people were focusing on exports less on the domestic market. Now, all markets are equally important. So what you can produce in India, you can also sell elsewhere very easily. So exports can be achieved much easier than earlier. In some African countries, some of the approvals are much easier than earlier because of the consortium the African countries are also making. And there is a lot of effort being also put by PHARMEXCIL in that regard. This IPHEX, I hope, will strengthen the country's image, improve the country's image much further than it was right now. These deliberations. So we are expecting already there is confirmations of 73 regulators representing almost 50 countries, 48 countries. So we are expecting 3-4 countries further. I think this is the first of its kind in the world. No government has organized such an event for the regulators. If you see the response from the regulators also, for example, the Korean FDA chief is coming, NAFDAC chief is coming, and Russian chief is coming. So it has created a momentum. So this global regulators conclave, we are expecting that this will come out with some sort of the solution to the problems, particularly during the pandemic. So the governments have given so many relaxations in the product approvals, emergency use authorizations. If we have this kind of an agreement and this kind of an arrangement with like-minded countries, like EU and US, they are all stringent regulatory authorities, and when they had such kind of an agreement, why not India and other like-minded countries can have this kind of a convergence? This is the major objectives. Please. No. If a company's product it is approved by the Indian regulator, if they can sell in as many countries as possible, the cost of development will come down, the time required for approval in those countries come down, you can achieve scale of economies of scale, and you can offer an affordable solution to the that is the biggest advantage of recognizing each other's regulatory approval. Much more expected, and Dr. Satyanarayana has rightly mentioned, it is very much beneficial to everyone, not only India.
Are there any countries as of now which might accept Indian regulatory authorities, our certification? The like-minded use them. What are the like-minded countries?
The one where the free trade agreement was signed by UAE, that is one, maybe the quickest one to accept the approvals made. IPHEX 2022 is to showcase the advancement and achievement of Indian pharmaceutical industry to the globe. The other main objective is to bring various regulatory chiefs from other countries to come to India and understand the strengths of the Indian regulatory system and find opportunities to harmonize the regulations such that the drugs approved in India can be approved easily in the countries where they are needed, where the regulatory system is not as established as India. So this will be a great opportunity. And the pandemic also proven that country can cope up with the challenges and can produce enough drugs, not only just for India, for also the emerging world, and also established markets as well, like US and Europe. And our ability to produce vaccines is another great step to demonstrate developed Indian produced vaccines catered to all the vaccine requirements of the entire India. So these two are the major objectives of this IPHEX.
ఉద్దేశం ఏంటంటే ప్రపంచంలో ఉన్న రెగ్యులేటర్స్కి భారతదేశంలో ఉన్న రెగ్యులేటర్స్ మీద విశ్వాసం పెంచడానికి, అలాగే ఇండియన్ ఇండస్ట్రీ క్యాపబిలిటీస్ మీద కూడా విశ్వాసం పెంచడానికి. సో అలాగే కాకుండా ఈ రెగ్యులేటర్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో మన ఇండియాలో ఉన్న సిడిఎస్ఈఓ కానీ ప్రపంచ వివిధ ప్రాంతాల నుంచి వస్తున్న రెగ్యులేటర్స్ కానీ వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడుకున్నప్పుడు ఒకే ఆలోచన పరమైన విధానాలు ఏమన్నా ఉంటే కనుక వాటి వల్ల కూడా ఆ కంట్రీలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి కానీ ఈ కంట్రీలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి కానీ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్స్ కానీ కాస్టింగ్ కానీ ఇవన్నీ కూడా చాలా బెనిఫిషియల్గా లాభదాయకంగా ఉంటుంది అనేది. సో దీనిలో ఏంటంటే భారతదేశానికి సంబంధించిన దాదాపుగా 350 కంపెనీలు వాళ్ళ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ని డిస్ప్లే చేస్తున్నారు. మోర్ దెన్ 500 ఇంటర్నేషనల్ బయర్స్ ఇక్కడికి వస్తున్నారు. అలాగే 50 దేశాల నుంచి 70 మంది కన్నా ఎక్కువ మంది రెగ్యులేటర్స్ కూడా వస్తున్నారు. సో అది ప్రధాన ఉద్దేశం కూడా ఏంటంటే ఈ సందర్భంగా భారతదేశం ఒక గొప్ప శక్తిగా, అంటే ఫార్మా తయారీలో పర్టికులర్గా ఇంతకాలం ఏంటంటే మనం ఓన్లీ జనరిక్ డ్రగ్స్ తయారు చేస్తామన్న నానుడే ఉంది. ప్రధానంగా ఈ కోవిడ్ టైంలో